Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
You know that today is the Mother Day and we will have to surprise them. So, we will make some postcards and you have to draw something nice for your moms. Come on, start. If you need to help to draw something nice, you can maybe just ask me. Yes, okay? What do you want?
I help you, mommy.
We don't have any plastic.
It's okay like this? Oh, you?
Thank you very much.
Why didn't you do anything? If you don't do something, if you don't participate, I'm going to give you a bad one, so please, at least try.